So molecule CH3NO2 has three resonating structures. Another resonating structure we have is this one. And let us write a third resonating structure. Among these three resonating structures, one resonating structure is not valid. So which is not a valid resonating structure? Which is not a valid resonating structure? Now if you see a structure third, in this case nitrogen has 5 bonds. This means nitrogen is having 10 electrons, but nitrogen maximum can have 8 electrons because nitrogen does not have a d orbital. So this structure is not valid. So we can say resonating structure third is not a valid resonating structure. And the reason is nitrogen cannot expand its octet. So nitrogen atom cannot expand its octet. Now let us consider this molecule. So we have CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH2, this is CH, and then we have NH3 plus. Now this is one resonating structure. We can write another resonating structure for this molecule. So this is another resonating structure for same molecule. We can also write another resonating structure. So let us call this as resonating structure 3. Among these three resonating structure, one of the resonating structure is not valid. So which resonating structure is not valid? Now idea is again same. In this case nitrogen has 5 bonds. If you write this molecule in expanded way, so we can write, in this case nitrogen has 5 bonds. That is nitrogen is having 10 electrons. And that is not possible. Nitrogen cannot form 5 bonds. So this structure, resonating structure third, is not a valid resonating structure. And the reason is nitrogen cannot form more than 4 bonds. So nitrogen cannot form 5 bonds. In this case we have, so nitrogen can maximum form 4 bonds because it has to satisfy the octet. Now let us try the next problem. Formaldehyde has 3 resonating structure. So this is one resonating structure, and this is another resonating structure. Similarly we can write this resonating structure. So let us call this is resonating structure 3. which is the most stable resonating structure and which is the least stable resonating structure. That is, we have to define a stability order. A structure 1 is the most stable, and in this case reason is it does not have any charge separation. So no charge over any one of the atom. So no charge separation. Now a structure 3 is the least stable. And this time reason is oxygen is an electronegative atom and it has a positive charge. So in this case we can say an electronegative atom has a positive charge. And the second resonating structure is a good resonating structure compared to the resonating structure third, because in this case negative charge we have on oxygen atom. So relative importance is one is the most stable, and then we have second, and then we have third one. So this is the relative stability order. So in this direction, increasing stability order. So this is the increasing stability order. Now let us consider this molecule. Now this molecule has three resonating structure. So this is one. We will have another resonating structure. We can also have third resonating structure. So we have to find their stability order. Now one is the most stable resonating structure, because in this case we have a negative charge over more electronegative atom oxygen. So in this case we have negative charge over more electronegative atom. Now similarly, the second one is the least stable, because we have negative charge over the carbon atom that is not so electronegative. So we have oxygen is the most electronegative, then we have nitrogen, and then we have carbon. So second one is the least stable, because negative charge is over electropositive atom. Is over electropositive atom. So now we can say the one is the most stable, and then we have third, and then we have the second one.